What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold and sell. Check out my picks here. Check also my playlist. I categorize it by month, and of course Bitcoin and altcoins, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and Shiba. You can also join my group for free, Naked Crypto. Let's go to the bottom. So I put some news here, like AMC traders is now planning to accept Shiba Inu in 60 to 120 days. Handshake, my YouTube channel, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Matic, Avax. I predicted the crash. I put a sell signal here. And Ethereum, I projected the ABC correction of Ethereum. Then there you go, it dropped. CRO, I predicted a drop of CRO. Handshake, the pop, there's a pop there. Solana, Shiba Inu. There you go, Matic. Data, Solana, Ethereum. And there was a break on Solana here. Break of Shiba, Dogecoin. There you go, CRO. Matic, keep on rising. Handshake, target has been reached. Some news. Last Saturday, Bitcoin drops 9K in an hour, but El Salvador buys the dip. CRO keeps on dropping. Some news. This one, Mark Zuckerberg's sister on Dogecoin, Shiba, Elon, and ShibGF. There you go. Crypto index. I predicted the ABC correction of crypto index. Gala, possible buy zones. And there you go, Ethereum ABC correction is completed. And there was and somebody comment here asking if I'm teaching, if I want to teach. I said here, there's no demand yet, but sure, I can make a course. And for newbies, anybody interested for trading and investing course. So I need a limit of 10 people to get started. Comment down below. So guys, join the group, join the community while still free, guys. I might change my mind to paid group. Okay, let's see the market today. So crypto index, we're still on this ABC correction. So are we now looking for 5 waves to the upside? Bitcoin dominance, we are still dropping, but this one currently it's on a descending channel, so this is a bullish pattern. Right now it's a triple bottom, so it could be the price could go up. Let's see, but we prefer Bitcoin dominance to drop because it means altcoin season. But right now Bitcoin is getting strong, looks like it's getting strong based on this chart here. So yeah, but it's good for Bitcoin though. Ethereum dominance though looks great. Looks like it's a cap in handle. Let's see if the price will make a handle here. So after that, we go to the upside. Total market cap, we are on this cap in handle. We broke. Right now it's creating a bullish flag. So possibly this one will break to the upside. Total market 2 excluding Bitcoin. Cap and handle, we broke another bullish flag, so we're expecting a price to go up eventually. And total market cap 3, cap and handle, we go up. We went to this, we have a ascending channel, then we go for ABC correction. This one looks like a bullish flag, so eventually it will go up. So let's visit the US index. The market is healthy. S&P still great. Dow Jones great. Gold wasn't cap and handle though, so eventually it will go up. Dow Jones looks good. Bitcoin on the daily chart, we have this ABC correction here, and we have the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 supposed to be, we're aiming for a wave 5. Some were at 80k, 100k. But unfortunately, it really dropped on this last Saturday. The Bitcoin dropped, so it ruined my account. This one is technically incorrect now because the wave 4 overlapped the wave 1 and it's so deep. Plus, I'm not really sure about Bitcoin because it broke on this trend line here, so it might drop. That's one of the scenario, guys. That would be our bearish scenario. Our bullish scenario, though, we might still see the price go up here, but unfortunately, but yeah, this is a bearish pattern, guys, just to let you know. So after that, even if we reach the fifth wave here somewhere at 80k, 90k, we will still see the ABC correction. This is just my price prediction. This is my personal analysis. I'm just one guy and on YouTube, so just be careful, guys. But I showed you all the other technicals are still good, but it's just Bitcoin is not. I'm not really confident on Bitcoin, so just be careful, guys. On Ethereum, though, we projected perfectly. We have this ABC correction, and we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and we have this ABC correction. I put a buy signal here, and now we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. Similar to Solana, we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and we projected the ABC correction, and I put a buy signal here, and the price is ready here. So we now looking for 5 waves to the upside. Matic, we are on this bullish pennant here. And if we zoom in, this is my post, guys. Now target is almost reached, but if you're trading, safest target will be $2.23. If you see, the all-time high should be here, so that would be $2.80. That would be our target. Moon River, we are still on this bullish flag, so let's see if this one will play out. I'm expecting supposed to be higher, but it went down already. So let's see if this one is a great buying opportunity on this level. Cardano is actually on cup and handle, supposed to be like this descending channel, but it created the ascending channel, which is a bearish pattern. So if you zoom in, this is a bearish pattern, ascending channel. So there was a bullish flag here, so I was expecting the price to go up, but instead it created a descending channel and another descending channel here. So let's see, guys, because this one, we do have already several touches here. We have touch 1 here, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4, touch 5, touch 6 on the top. We have 1, 2, 3. So we're expecting another touch here. So if not, so just to be aware, guys, this is a descending channel, ascending channel. So the price might go down now for a correction, or we might still see the price go up here. So right now the price is $1.20. So we are still looking for $4, so that's 3 to 4x. So let's see, guys. So AVAX, I put a sell signal here, and now we are still, this could be your ABC correction, but let's see, guys, or this could be your there's another coming ABC correction here. So something like that, guys. Just be careful, guys. But don't worry about it. After that, if this one is the ABC correction, then this would be a great buying opportunity. So this could be, now we are looking for 5 waves to the upside. H bar, yeah, still dropping. So this one is similar. So H bar is similar to Cardano chart. Cup and handle, but the handle is supposed to be descending channel, but it went to a ascending channel. So this one example of ascending channel. So yeah, Raven coin still on the descending channel. So let's see, but it broke though on the trend lines. So let's see, guys. Yeah, XRP, aka stablecoin. Right now it's there's a like a descending channel. So let's see if this one will break to the upside this time. Let's see, guys. XRP stablecoin. Polkadot, it's on ascending channel. So just to be aware, guys, this is a bearish pattern. So we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We have the ABC correction. Wave 1, wave 2, supposed to be wave 3. But the price went down here. This one is a descending channel, though it's a bullish pattern. So let's see if Polkadot will break on this descending channel. And of course, right now it's on this channel here, bottom of the channel. So but you never know, guys, it might break on these channels and we go for a correction. So just to be aware, guys. Tesos ascending channel. So just to be aware, guys, again, this is a bearish pattern, but we had this cap and handle right now. So let's see. Right now it's at the descending channel, so let's see if the price will break up. So right now it's $5. Target would be 12, somewhere at 12. Let's say 2x. Engine coin, like a triangle here. We had this ABC correction in wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Looks like a little bit overlap the wave 1, but yeah, this is technically incorrect, but sometimes it works. So we are still right now it's dollars, let's say $2, and we're aiming for at least the top, so $4. So let's say that's 2x, guys. So let's see, guys, let's see. Flow, if we are early, we have this ABC correction and we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. Cosmos, we are on this descending channel. Supposed to be cup and handle here, but looks like, okay, there you go, guys. Cosmos looks like a descending channel, so eventually it will go up. Phantom, it's on a rising expanding wedge. This is a bearish pattern. So we have the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we have the ABC correction here. So we are now on the wave 5. So we might still have one push to the upside somewhere here or here. So right now we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are already on the 5th wave. Let's see if this one, your ABC correction, we might still see one more wave, 5 more waves to the upside. So let's see, guys. Phantom, this is also so Phantom, it's on a bullish flag or descending expanding wedge. We have this ABC corrections. Are we now looking for 5 waves to the upside? But overall, guys, just to be aware, this is a rising expanding wedge. This is a bearish pattern. So yeah. And plus, we are already on the 5th wave. So 5th wave is not really my favorite wave. So just to let you know, guys, or it might already drop. We are already on the 5th wave, so maybe a massive ABC correction. So just to be aware, guys. Chilis, we're still on this bullish pattern, guys. This is called descending channel. So this is a bullish pattern. So let's see, guys, eventually I hope it will pop up. So guys, if you find this video valuable, give me a thumbs up. And if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, you want me to analyze, I'll do the technical analysis for free because I love you guys. So for now, take care. I love you. Bye bye.